Start the video off here. Doing a little bit of gap prep since I got the window tint on the GTI. Been wanting to upgrade the HIDs on the GTI, right? I know they're not what is the Oman Night Breakers, whatever fuck. These are Amazon, like $50 or something like that. Hopefully they're way brighter than the OEM ones. Just got it in. Right, Mars Auto. So we gonna see. Got it back in. Here's a new one over here. Size of old one. Low key, it look identical. This one got more of like a whitish tone to it though. This one is a cool blue. Just gotta wait till nighttime. Hopefully it's brighter, cause the white ones, it was giving off like the oldish fucking like normal fucking bulb look. Not like LED look, I guess you could say, even though they're HIDs. So this one, hoping gives me that brighter day look that LEDs or HIDs is supposed to give you. Take the headlights off. It's pretty easy. It's just a couple T30s. Alright, yeah. T30 here, T30 here. There's one back here as well. And then there's one behind the bumper, like right there. Let's take those out. Disconnect the clip. Pull the bumper. You don't got to take it fully off. You can if you want to, but you don't got to. Disconnect the clip. Just pull it right out. For the bolts on the back of the headlight, these are T20s. These are for the HIDs. I'm pretty sure it's different for the normal halogen ones or LEDs, whatever. These are T20s. Take them off, and then let's pull this backing plate off. It's a little tight on there because it's like, has to have a suction on there just so water doesn't get in there. So let's pull that off. Then with these, there's a little, like, if you could look in there, there's a little, okay, so you see these little cutouts or indentations in there. So with this one, you want to push it down, then push it over, and then get it up top up here. Push that one down and get it up top up here to release the headlight. And then once you do that, get it out, take the clip off of here. And then once you're also gonna want to use gloves too when you're putting the HIDs in. Yeah, any oil in them at all, that'll cause for them to burn out. Just because how much heat HIDs produce. So you're gonna definitely want to wear some gloves. The kit came with I even got the Mars Audio. Mars Auto ones. I don't know if I recommend these or not. Just had to get some shit in a rush. Forget, honestly. I know the ones that everybody goes with are the old, what is it? Osram, whatever fuck. Night Breakers. I heard those are pretty good. But you could go with these if you want to save some money. And then the little tab you're gonna press on is here, then pull it off. Once you get off, you want to make sure you don't touch that bulb at all, literally at all. If yours are burnt out already, it doesn't matter, but if you know what I'm saying, possibly switch back to them in the future, you want to make sure, you know what I'm saying, you don't get any away with them. Then you just put them back in. Just line them up, put them back in, basically redo what you did with the clips, and then, then you're gonna want to put T20 bolts back in. Don't go super tight with these at all, like really barely, just go hand tight. Just go hand tight with these. Don't go super tight. I almost went super tight with the other one. Shit started crack. Actually, no. Never mind. That might just be build quality then. But no, the crack that was right here on the other side started spreading. I guess it's bad build quality or some shit like that. Honestly, fuck it. And you just want to put everything back in, which you could do, make it easier to come out. So I didn't do this on the other side to even peep, but you can take out this T25 here, gives you more room to move the bumper out and out. But put it back in before you bolt everything back in, check and see if the headlight works. Make sure it's clipped in also. God damn it. All right, take two. Yeah, I can tell that shit way brighter. Way fucking brighter. Holy shit. Turn this brightness down. No, I just have to polish up these headlights a little bit too when I get back from Gap. They should be mint. I kind of want the 7.5 Johns, but I feel like everybody be getting them. So I might kind of want to stick to these for a while at least. Fucking hyper flash and shit. Also, after that, I'm gonna get an actual full intake and then charge pipes. I need to check and see if the charge pipes are stock or not, because I do have a direct fit intercooler. Probably can't even fucking tell, but yeah, charge pipes probably are upgraded then. Fuck it, full intake. Kind of want to go E on this bitch, and then after a while, want to go like Vortex Turbo or something. Alright, so since I didn't have time, or another splitter won't get here in time, just like fucking ghetto rig the fuck out of this splitter. So it was like chipped here and here. Fucking put duct tape, cardboard, wrapped over that shit. It's decent enough for now. If it fucking holds, it'll probably fly off on the way to Gap, but fuck it. And then I forgot to say for your grill, just 2 T25 bolts here. I don't know with the SELs or whatever, like the Autobahns, that you guys got a fucking sensor up here, but if you don't, all you do, pull it back, pull it up, comes out easy. Yeah, these are way better than other ones, way better. I need to check this left side. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. It's like a fucking like black spot or some shit, like a dead spot. It's right there. Maybe I'll put the HID in upside down or something. I have no clue why it's like that. Yeah, I have no clue, but these are way brighter. Alright, really didn't get anything done I wanted to get done today. Had to swap batteries and shit like that on Buick over here. Put the V1 banner on. Might as well, gotta wrap it. Gotta be repping that Gap though, for sure. I don't think I did too bad of a job centering it, you know, by myself in a rush too. Just wish I had wheels, bro. If I had wheels and I didn't crash out while I was doing the roof wrap, it would have been like way harder. This is good enough for Gap though. All right, day before we take off. Wasn't planning on raising it for the road trip, but I talked to a couple people on the way to Gap now, and they said the roads are pretty ass. So I know the past 2 years, I know last year, of course, I trailered my shit, and the year before, I raised the Passat up hella, and made it there. So about to just raise it up a little bit to like a track fitment look. I'm gonna swap the springs in the back to the stock like fucking AKs or whatever the hell these are. Pretty sure these are the right one. Fuck it. But yeah, I'm gonna put these back in the rear. Front, I'm just gonna raise that up because nobody's about to fucking change out springs and all that shit I get. These, you know, the rear is only like 30-second change, honestly. So, got the, honestly, and then what I was gonna say with this ultra low jack, I'm not gonna lie, if you better off getting a low profile long reach than ultra low. This shit, especially if you got side skirts or anything too, the design of it makes it like ass unless your fucking pinch load is closer towards the skirt of your car. Because so with mine's, the pinch load is farther back, so I'll put it in and like my shit is fucking bottoming out, or my side skirt's hitting here, compared to like if this shit was long reach, like literally a couple more inches, and it would have been perfect. But I still got to use wood and everything with the ultra low. But this is the one I'm probably gonna bring on the road trip, just because it's super light. I would bring the Pittsburgh 3-ton. That's the best jack I had. This one's starting to fucking break hella. But yeah, no, this joint is pretty super ultra light. Honestly, shit, maybe I might not even bring it. I might just bring the Pittsburgh 3-ton because you can still see it's like not even on the pinch wheel yet. Like literally one more jack I'll be there, but you can see. I wonder if I could just go ahead and get an angle grinder. I know it's stupid to modify a jack, bro. Shouldn't have to do this shit, but like literally get an angle grinder and just fucking grind all this fucking shit off right here. Grind all this off to like all the way back here. God damn, this shit's stupid as fuck. One side done. Hold on, you can't even see. One side done. About to move to the other side or do the rear. For the rear, I just got to jack up the rear, so because it's solid beam, so I get more droop in the lower control arm, so I can just pull the spring out. Always make sure you turkey will look next to spec. I should barely raised it, but that's good. Barely raised it at all. All I did was add a preload though. I could actually raise it from the shock, but I probably won't do that. Low key. Only other thing, bro, like I really want to cut the fucking the store tower shit, bro. I just don't have the right hole saw right now, bro. Don't have the right. I might just end up doing that shit at Gat, honestly. And if somehow, like, I'm not saying it's gonna happen, but if somehow I can find some smaller tires I got, throw them bitches on, go lower. All right, let me try to do it in cinematic. You can literally see wheels off the ground and everything, right? But it's just a solid beam. When I jack it up, the rear droops down more. Really probably can't see that shit on camera at all. Fuck it. Don't got time to do shit. Wheel weight came off. Look what I'm finna do. Where the fuck my super glue go? We finna get right, cause I ain't got time for this shit. Where the fuck did my super glue go, bruh? I was not playing. I was dead ass serious. Literally get it out in a couple seconds. I should have went low key 5-inch, but I went 6 to stop myself from slamming it completely. But see the height difference just right there. I do got 5-inch springs sitting over there, but I'm gonna put these back in for right now. Then next, I literally just force that bitch under it. Literally force that bitch under it. Be fucking Gucci. Make sure it's seated in there right. There we go. Then that should be it for the rear end. Already done went through and like lubricated shit. I usually just do that every single time, the bushings and shit like that. Oh, actually forgot the sway bars on. Hold on, forgot the little hooves. Get right. Yeah, fuck it. I don't give a fuck if it's ghetto or not, bruh. Make sure my bushing's good, bruh. All right, let's get to the last side done. Don't even know how much it is, but nah, I'm gonna say about a middle finger or some shit. Whatever. So we can match it when we get to get. Yeah, I gotta get off these all-terrains, bruh. Whenever I can, cause these bitches not it, boy. T25 for the airbox. Let's go around and take them out. Also, I never even showed y'all this. So I do have a direct fit intercooler and shit, right? But it doesn't fit up properly with the radiator. So the problem I actually had with it is it fell out. So I got that shit like mega reinforced. It should be good. I didn't hit like a couple bumps going to 80 plus while it's been like low. And it's still good. This side, I didn't even notice until when I was doing the headlights. But I got, I only got one cable tie on this side. The other side, I got mechanics wire, zip tie, cable tie, stainless steel, all that shit, bro. It should be good. No way this bitch came in. What the fuck? Holy fuck. This shit was well, dude. This shit is dirty as hell, bro. Not even nowhere even near red anymore. Was it supposed to be red? Shit, I don't fucking know. But it was doing its job though. Let's hope this AEM one fits. I was gonna go K&N again, but I seen this AEM one was cheaper, so I was like, fuck it. All right, we done made it to fucking Bussy. Car doing good so far. Tires seem good. Oil seem good. Everything seemed pretty good so far. Got like 3 more hours to go. What the fuck? Alright. We indeed have made it to get. Made it last night. Went to a couple like meets and everything. Wasn't gonna load her car at first because the alignment got chopped after I raised it. Fuck it, got to, bruh. Ended up bringing a ultra low Daytona, but probably gonna raise it like a 1/2 inch from what it was, like lowered wise. I got the rears in already. It's doing the fronts now. I hope the fucking alignment isn't super mega ultra chopped like it is. Fuck it, bro. Fuck it.
Damn, Draco, you made this? Yeah, niggas know what the fuck going on, baby. Chief do it, man. 2612 shit, bitch. Wow. Spin on who? Nigga spin on what? Better nigga cock get flipped. You wanna hang with us, go smoke you a nigga. Everybody got hats and attempts. That nigga telling this bitch he facing this shit. What the fuck, buddy, do for the trench? Bitch gon' set up booth. I want you to try it. Everybody gon' die in this bitch. Cheap like snakes, take her ass to the pit. Run up on this car, watch her fall out the whip. She think I'ma change her life. Nope, I don't take hoes on trips. She think yeah, they gon' be her birthday. Nope, can't get no gift. Last nigga jumped in the beef, got left in the street. Y'all ask for to stay out the mix. You wanna live, then nigga be cool. Get you throwing the switch, watch the whole crowd move. Need no aim, just let the bitch flame. Never made no money, nigga, then no day. Pull up that Glock and eat you like souffle. Hit it hot like bling, nigga, with these trade. Pull up that shit, you better butt that cake. All of my brother shit don't feel okay. And until I see some more nigga ain't gon' play. I should've known. Shawty been talking to them damn Jay. I be with nigga that pray on shoot. When they take her back in and they wait. Pull up that fight, think I run the fade. Know that they glow for it in my name. Get a whole day, she gon' take that pain. Cause they gon' get flit, he gon' get that great. And now we keep I might just snatch your chain. Keep running fish pole, nigga, we got aim. Young nigga 15 scrapped up, I ain't even going for that. Baby life, I'm so bitch, I know real work. Baby, whoa. That bad they say this shit till I'm cold. I see it, say flip it, block it. It's just a cause of that. Oh, man.
Bitch, I'm OT wildin' in the yard. My brother walking with him. Out in DR and we chillin' in a combo. I'm around factory in a condo. I only pick up if it's money in the combo. In my own lane, I don't think it's no one in my row.
Fuck, do we get back, bro?
Let me get up.
Finally about to head back home. Fucking still got 10.5 some hours to go. Fuck it, we got it though.
She see me and blew me a kid. Fuck JT ain't shooting that shit. Ranking on nothing, he driving the mix. Car better chill, tryna hang.